Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see the review of ESR HaloLock ring stand. It is also a phone grip that has MagSafe compatibility so that you can use it with your iPhone 12 and above models with MagSafe feature. It is priced around 1500 rupees for me in India. If you're from other countries, you can check with the Amazon or other website if the ESR brand is available in your country. I will leave a link to this product for Amazon USA and Amazon India. Right now, the stocks are not available in USA. You can check, and if it is available locally, you may proceed with the purchase. So when we unpack by peeling off the stickers on the sides, we can see that the packaging is done very minimal, and this paper box kind of printed with all the instructions and other product details that ESR actually sells. Past couple of years, ESR brand have launched several iPhone accessories and general mobile phone accessories and iPad accessories as well. As you can see, the minimum requirement that they have mentioned for this ring stand to work is iPhone 12 and above models, or they also have ESR Halo Ring, I think. So that product will let you convert your iPhone or any case without even MagSafe feature to convert it to MagSafe enabled feature by enabling that magnet sticking feature to work. And here, when we unpack, the packaging is pretty simple and it comes around 30 to 40 grams, and it will definitely add some weight to your iPhone. But the purpose of phone grip is to give comfortable holding even with larger display phones with increased weight, especially the Pro Max models. Plus model weighs equal to the Pro model, around 204 grams, so that won't be a problem. I'm using iPhone 14 Plus as my daily driver, and you can see that we can simply pull the ring, which is connected kind of a chain with a two-layered connectivity, and simply place it on your iPhone backside, and the MagSafe will come into action. I do have a doubt whether this will be a strong magnetic force to make sure that the phone doesn't fall off when we try to hold it in one hand. We will test it in the next few seconds, and when you fold the ring, you can see the fitting looks perfectly good, making the Apple logo clearly visible to you. I'm using ultra thin case, so the connectivity of the magnet feature works perfectly. And maybe if you don't use case, then the magnet strength will be a little bit stronger, I believe. And when you open one ring and simply insert the finger to use it as a phone grip, you can see typing is definitely comfortable. Previously, I was using a small size phone grip, especially to use it with the iPhone 14 Plus. The holding was little bit difficult with one hand. With this ring being positioned at the center of the phone at the back side, I thought like this could be difficult to hold and type in one hand. But when we stretch it little bit, the ring, when we open it, it is very well comfortable. And you can see that I tried to apply some force, I try to shake it up, and the ring perfectly, it is in its position, and it didn't, the phone didn't fall off. But you have to be careful while removing or trying to adjust the ring. If you want to open the second ring to make it as a stand to hold it in a vertical position, or if you wanted to use it in a landscape position, you can simply rotate the ring and you can use it for watching movies or videos with any viewing angle that you like to set it to. So this is definitely a wonderful creation from ESR. Unlike many other phone grips and stands, it is not anywhere loose fit. Even with the vertical position, while using it as a stand, only when you shake the phone it will be moving. But most of the time we will be using it in a landscape mode for watching videos and any other content, so it shouldn't be a problem. It's not just the magnet that is quite strong, also the ring proves to be a little bit strong. That is important. You can use it with one ring or two ring while placing it on your desk, and when you try to use it as a stand. You can of course easily detach the stand. One other feature that I really like about this ESR stand is when you keep it on your desk, due to the increased height of the stand, your camera will not be touching the surface of the desk or floor whenever you try to keep it on any flat surface. So that is definitely beautiful. Previously, when I use a smaller size, non-MagSafe compatible phone grip, the camera section was always, going down to the floor, because due to the weight of the camera system, especially with the Pro and Pro Max models, you will definitely notice it when you are using a non-MagSafe compatible phone grip. It may look bigger with the Pro model and iPhone 13 or 14 models for sure, even with the iPhone 12 models, but overall build quality and the ring, the fit and finish, everything looks beautiful and premium for its price. I do think that if there is a little more price reduced, it will be more reasonable to purchase this around 1000 rupees. But anyhow, if budget isn't a problem and you're looking for a good premium phone grip and a stand for your iPhone, then you can consider picking up this ESR HaloLock ring stand. Do share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you have any questions related to iPhone, iPad and Mac, don't forget to search our channel to find the solution faster. Thank you and have a wonderful day.